Welcome to Saratoga CRM. Today we'll be talking about dynamic data charts demonstrated using the time management workflow. The massive amount of data can leave us scratching our heads trying to figure out what it all means. Ideal is to have graphs and charts which allows us to evaluate and understand the data. Better yet is to have dynamic charts which display data in real time. Saratoga CRM now leverages Google Charts to provide this type of powerful real-time reporting. Notice the time management chart on the right with its many categories of how an employee spends his time for the company. Also notice that the chart is interactive by hovering over the various sections. This chart derives its values from the data entered in the database. For the first example, we'll look at the list on the left. We'll change two values for our demonstration. Internal training at 3/4 of an hour at 2.8% and customer visits at 1 hour 3.7%. When adding a new record, we see the chart categories under Activity Type. Note the customer visit category is under Do Not Use. I'll explain that in a minute. First, let's select IT, which is Internal Training. After making all the entries, selecting Done, and then saving the changes, the data is refreshed and we see the data chart reflects the most current data. The second example is the customer visit. This demonstrates how data is pulled from other tables and fields which do not have to be displayed in the current data view. We just moved from the employee table to the customer table to the visit reports table where we'll add a new record. The time management chart is about time and uses the value in the duration field in terms of hours. After filling in all other values, the Done field signals the hours have been spent and are read into the chart after saving the new record. Now going back into the employee data view with refreshed data, we can see the dynamic chart is indeed current. The last item to show is a tip on how one can use charts to display the same data at different angles. Notice in the time management chart the hours are broken down to specific activities. For a more general overview, we can group the data in general categories. Items like personal day off, sick day, or vacation in one group, and in another, customer support and customer visit. After aggregating the data, we see in another graph called time usage just how the employee's time was spent. One final tip. Thus far, we've looked at single employee times. Management can also aggregate these values to have an overview of his team. The values we see here are aggregates of multiple team members in Walter Orr's department. It is of course up to you who can see such graphs since not everyone may be privileged to see such information. Remember, dynamic charts can be used for any values, product and product groups, sold or forecasted, sales numbers by region, groups, etc. The possibilities are endless. This concludes today's Saratoga CRM presentation. For more information, please contact your local sales representative or visit us at aptian.com. Thanks for watching.